I'm Deepak Verma. I'm tech student from Manad Bhopal, Civil Engineering Department. So this is the tripod. Or these are the legs of tripod, and these are the screw. Using these screw, we can adjust the height of tripod like this. So first we need to fix this tripod in the proper position or point which is already marked on the ground. So first we need to rough leveling of this tripod. After the rough leveling, we need to keep this instrument in this top of tripod. So this is the central screw. This is the central screw, and this instrument called distal theodolite. So we mount on top of tripod, and using the central screw we fix distal theodolite on the tripod and tight it. After that we need to level instrument. So first we level from bowel. After that we level from plate level. So the process of leveling, first take these two screw as A and B, and third screw is C. So first we move these two screw inward direction or outward direction. So let's level it. The circular bubble in the center. So we can say that now this instrument is approx center. After that we need to center plate level. So for leveling plate level, we first rotate the instrument and make plate level parallel to any of two screw, and try to level plate level. When plate level come in the center parallel to these two screw, after that we rotate instrument 90 degree and try to center using the third screw. Now we can see that plate level also in a center. So we can see that this instrument is completely level. After that we turn the instrument and check in different direction or different position that plate level is centered or not. If that plate level is not centered, so we need to again repeat the same process and try to this plate level in the bubble in the center. Now we can see that while we turn instrument, so this plate level or bubble in the center only, है ना? So in this position this instrument is leveled. After the leveling we need to center the instrument. So for for centering purpose in this instrument has laser plummet. So for turn on laser plummet, first we need to press shift key, after that RL key, so we can see that key that laser plummet mark point on the ground. So there is no center point. In actual field there is a center. So for centering purpose we use central screw and rotate instrument by the base plate, है ना. While we did centering, after that we tied the central screw, and by this way we can did our centering. In this process there may be a chance that we disturb our leveling. So again we need to level our instrument and repeat the same process till our instrument properly level or centered. So this is the primary operation for setting our instrument. After this we need to know the different parts of this instrument. So this is the handle of digital theodolite, this is the eyepiece, this is the focusing screw, this is the objective, this is the display, this is the battery, this is the vertical clamp screw. By this we can restrict the circular motion or vertical movement of this theodolite. Using this screw we can fix the position of theodolite, or using these precise screw we can precisely move the. This is the horizontal clamp screw. Using this screw we can restrict the horizontal movement of instrument, and this is the precise motion screw in horizontal direction. Using the O set key we can set instrument in the horizontal angle 0. We can see in display we set horizontal angle 0. After that we lose horizontal screw, clamp screw, and move the instrument again lock. So we measure angle 26 degree 45 minute or 27 second, and using RL key we can take the reading left side or right side. So RL. So this is the, we move instrument in right direction, so this is the reading from left direction. So this is the function of O set key and RL set key. While placing hold key we can fix the horizontal angle. Now we can move the instrument in any direction, but horizontal reading will remain same. After that we are going to see in vertical angle measurement. So first we need to make telescope in the parallel or horizontal, parallel to horizontal plane. So now we fix this instrument. Approx 90 degree is the vertical axis and the ground. So this is the vertical axis and this is the horizontal axis. So we set 90 degree, This is the vertical axis. Now we release the vertical clamp screw and take the vertical angle. So we measure vertical angle 68 degree, 58 minute and 51 second. Now we can measure angle in depression angle also. So this is depression angle. By the B percentage button key we can change reading in degree, minute, second to percentage. So this is minus 50.742 percentage. So these are the primary operation of this instrument. Thank you.